So for the longest time, I've had a membership to, well, we all have Amazon Prime, but I would get this text message, treasure truck. And before the pandemic, I'd get almost daily. And so I got a notification the other day that they were back on with treasure truck. And the first thing that they had that I wanted, but didn't want to have to pay as much as they wanted for it. I'm so excited! We need one of these so bad because nobody, well, Justice cooks a little bit around here, but we all hate to cook, so we just bought a cook. I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh. And it's the big one. They had this was like $129.99 on Amazon. It's the big one. 8 quarts, I think it is. And they had it for $69.99 on the treasure truck the other day. So, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's big. It's like a big crock pot, but it does like everything else too. Everything else. So unpackaging. Instant pot. Yay! I know you probably, a lot of you have these. I haven't been able to afford one, so I could deal with $69.99 for a big one. I didn't want to get a little one because you could never really make everything you wanted. Oh, it's got a couple of, oh my gosh. So, it's going to be time to get the recipe books out. And this thing steams. It's steam. Oh my gosh. It even has like a little tray, like a little grilling tray inside. Get my glasses on. Oh, all right. There's the measuring cup. Oh, how cute. Oh, so that just, in case you want to do 2 things, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to have to, oh, this might be for like air frying. Wow. So I think it's stainless steel. So I won't ever have to deal with rust, but look at, oh, that comes out too, so we can wash it. That's nice. Holy crap. Watch those treasure truck deals. You can sometimes get really, really good deals. I'm so excited. Well, whatever we make, let's see. Sear and saute, slow cooks, stew, roast, rice, steam. I don't know what that is, sous vide. Yogurt, what? Multigrain. I don't know if it air fries or not. I'll have to look through this recipe book. This is the Aura Pro. Well, oh, and a recipe book. A little one. I'm sure I can find a lot of stuff online. Brownies? Wow. I'm excited. Finally gonna do some cooking around here. Maybe the whole family will start eating healthier. Anyway, watch those treasure truck offers.